So cute. I just like, I can't believe it. I love this outfit. It's so cute. I really like how my makeup turned out today. We just finished shooting a few outfits. So stunning. Welcome to a new vlog. Hello, how you doing? I am actually just getting ready to go do a little Instagram photo shoot with Kyla. I'm just gonna set you down here for a minute while I do my hair. I thought it was about time I show you how I use my Dyson Airwrap. I know I've mentioned the Dyson Airwrap a few times on this channel, but I don't think I've ever actually like showed you how I air wrap my own hair. And since I'm about to do it, I thought I would get the camera out and show you my process. So first thing I do is I just kind of section off the top part of my hair. I don't have a ton of hair, so I actually only do like 2 layers. Sorry about the lighting being super bright over here. I'm standing in front of my door and it's glass. Actually, this might be a better idea. Okay, I had to do a little bit of rearranging, but here we are. I think this is a little bit of a better setup. You can like see a little better. Unfortunately, my bathroom just has the worst lighting of all time. There's no natural light in there, and it's kind of small, so we can't film in there. I've never done my hair here, just sitting in my living room, but it's nice. Before I got the Airwrap, I heard so many people saying that it's such a learning curve and it's really hard to learn how to use it. I did not think that was the case at all when I got it, but maybe it's because I watched so many tutorials. Probably that's why. But I found it just so easy and intuitive. It just like literally wraps up your hair really quickly, and it doesn't get tangled or anything, so it's really, really great. That being said, there's definitely like lots of ways that you can use the Airwrap, and you can kind of get like a different look depending on the attachment that you use or like the way that you do it. You can either let it wrap it up, or you can do it from the top like this, which is what I'm gonna do. There's lots of like different ways that you can use it. The best thing for me has been watching Mariana Hewitt's Instagram highlights. She has an Airwrap highlight and she's got amazing hair and she loves the Airwrap, and she just has lots of like tips and different ways of using the Airwrap in her highlight. So that's a really good resource to go look at if you're like want to play around more and try different techniques out. Also, Jen Atkin has a good like Airwrap tutorial on YouTube, but it is, in my opinion, pretty straightforward. So I'm just gonna get started. Basically, you want the arrows pointing in the direction that you want your hair to go. By the way, I keep it on the heat setting all the way up and the air blastiness all the way up. That's not what it's called. So I'm just gonna grab a pretty big piece like that and I'm gonna curl around like a wand. Okay, so that's my first piece done. It's so crazy how fast it dries. I'm not really too fussed about the back pieces that much. I feel like I should probably do a little bit smaller pieces so that it gives me more of a curl wave. Okay, so I don't know how many seconds that was, but it's pretty quick. I just wait until I can like feel that the hair is quite dry, and then I blast it with the cold air. You just push it up for like, I don't know, 5-10 seconds, and then boom. I think doing this method where you go from the top like a curling wand, I think it helps the curls or like the waves to be a little bit more uniform, because you just have more control as far as like exactly how it's wrapping around the wand. So because my hair is so like fine and thin and soft, it like kind of falls out of the curl or the wave pretty easily. So every time I finish like a section, I'll just spray it with this L'Oreal Elnet hairspray. This is the unscented one, and this is a game changer for me because I love the way that the Elnet like works. It's such a great hairspray, but I cannot handle the scent. It's just way too strong. And this is extra strong hold, unscented. I love it. Okay, so the top one, obviously, we're curling a little bit different because it's just going back kind of like a hot roller. The top middle section is always like the trickiest to me because I really want to get it really cute because it like makes your whole hair look cute. Oh no, my battery's low. Okay, let me get a new battery and I'll be back. I look so funny like this. Oh my gosh. New battery has been installed. Let's finish this. Oh, this has to go from the side. So I just wrap it around like this. And then take it out gently. And then you've got that cutie little curl. I'm just gonna like lightly brush it that way. I don't wanna really brush it. You guys, I look like Joe Dirt. I look like Joe Dirt's twin sister right now. Look at this hairdo. Wow, okay, don't worry, I promise it's all gonna come together soon. The last one. Now we say a little prayer that it looks cute. So cute. Okay, let's first like give it a little spray. I know I look a little crazy right now. I love this hairspray because it doesn't make your hair crunchy. Like as soon as you brush through it, it gets really, really soft, which I'm about to do. I'm just gonna make sure it's like totally cooled and then we can do that. I cannot get over how funny I look. I never notice how silly I look while I'm doing this process, but here we are. Okay, I'm gonna brush through, starting with like the bottom layer. I just like, I can't believe it. It's so amazing. Never in my life would I be able to accomplish this without the Airwrap. And by the way, I think that took me like maybe 10 minutes. Probably no more than 10 minutes. Oh, it just looks so good. I love it. Okay, I'm very happy that I finally showed you my Airwrap process. Now I have to leave the house in like 2 hours and I haven't picked out a single outfit yet. I need to shoot like, or I want to shoot like 5 different looks for this Instagram content shoot that I'm gonna do with my friend Kyla. I've done one other Instagram shoot with her before, which I vlogged that day. So you guys know Kyla, but yeah, we're doing it again. It's been like a little over a month probably, maybe like 2 months actually. So the goal today is to get as many cute pictures as we can. So I think I'm gonna do like 5 outfit changes, hopefully, if we have time for it. I need to at least bring 5 outfits with me, just in case. I've just put this giant pile of clothes here on the couch because I need to try on. These are all like the possibilities of options and outfits that I might wear today. So I'm gonna try all this stuff on and see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna do that, and then I need to eat a little something, and then go meet Kyla. By the way, before I forget to mention, I feel like the Dyson is constantly out of stock. They restock like once a month or so, I feel like. I'll definitely link it below even if it's out of stock, because I think you can like put it in your email and it will notify you as soon as it comes back in stock, which is really handy actually, because literally every time they restock, they sell out like in a day or two. Anyway, I'm gonna start trying on outfits and show you what I come up with. Okay, I've been working on my outfits. This is, I think, outfit number 3 that I put together. I think it's cute, just simple, kind of monochromatic, just with some white sneakers I'll wear it with, and maybe my glasses. This is the most comfortable sweater. I really love it. The buttons are super cute. It was part of my Nordstrom haul. It's from Waif. And then these pants are actually Target. They come in a bunch of different colors and I really like them. I love this outfit. It's so cute, so springy, summery. This green sweater is from Aster, the label. I think that this little knit like tank top is from Princess Polly, but from like a year ago. And then my Free People denim shorts that I have been loving so much. Yeah, this is just a super cute little easy outfit. Probably wear it with my little like rubbery slides. We'll see. Okay, I've officially got 5 outfits now. Sorry I haven't shown you all of them like as I'm trying them on and stuff, but you will see them eventually. This is like the easiest outfit. So comfy, so easy. I love it so much. This is the Sarah set from Emma Leger X Beginning Boutique. I really like how my makeup turned out today. I kind of just did what I always do, but I just added like a little extra eyeliner and a little extra bronzer, and I used my La Mer moisturizer as the base, and I just feel like that makes my skin look so nice and glowy. It's the best. Okay, I'll see you later. We have arrived. Kyla is here. She's so cute. This is the famous pink building that we're gonna try to get some pictures at quietly because we don't want to get kicked out. But the street is very beautiful.
Shooting here.
I know, we gotta be sneaky. Okay.
Got it.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover.
We just finished shooting a few outfits and now we're gonna shoot 2 more at the restaurant we're going to. It's called Hillstone. They have a really cute like back patio, like backyard situation with fire pits and a little lake, and it's very beautiful. So hopefully we can get some cute pictures there in the sunset. Although I'm afraid we're losing light too quickly because it's already like really beautiful golden hour. Anyway, I'll chat with you when we get to Houston. It's only like 5 minutes down the road, so we should be good. Okay, we're a little late, but we're gonna get some cute pictures right here. It's so stunning. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this place is. Kyla's getting the shots. So beautiful. I love it. We got an artichoke, fries, drinks, sauce. Yay! We're so healthy. Hello, it's a few days later now and I'm just editing the vlog, and of course I forgot to end the vlog. So I just wanted to jump in as I normally do and, you know, wrap up the vlog, have a nice little ending to it. The photo shoot with Kyla was very successful. I got so many cute pictures and I'm so excited to post. I've already posted a couple of them on my Instagram over the weekend. Sorry about this lighting. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, check out my Instagram if you want to see how the photos turned out. I really hope you enjoy this vlog, getting to see me use my Dyson, going on a little photo shoot adventure. I feel like it was a fun little vlog, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Do all the usual things. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye!